Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to install the Windows. You can see here the disk of the laptop, it is not showing, so I will show you how to fix this issue. Here you can see here only this partitions is showing of the bootable USB only. So what we will do now, close this one and go to the system BIOS. So we have to press F2 for Dell laptops, more Dell laptops, Dell PCs, to go to the BIOS. From there you can choose the storage. You can see here this one, storage device is configured to support write functions with VMD controller. When enabled, all NVMe and SATA device would be mapped under VMD controller. Windows RST, Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver or Linux kernel VMD driver must be loaded in order to boot the OS. So we will just choose this AHCI NVMe. Storage device is configured for AHCI NVMe mode. So just click this one, then click yes and apply changes. Click here, save as custom user settings, click OK, click exit, just press F12 and go to the USB. This is bootable USB, just enter. Now try to install again, click next, accept the terms, next. If you have the product key you can enter, if you don't have just click I don't have product key, then you can enter after. Okay, I will select the edition 11 Pro, click next, accept the terms. You can see here all the disks available now. So this partition 1 is bootable USB and 2 also this one. So what we will do, if you want to clean format, you can delete all the disk partitions. If you want to use the C drive and only if you want to format C drive, just you can select the C drive and format and install the Windows. Or if you doesn't take any backup for the D drive or C drive, you can just proceed, click next. It will store the old data, like in the C drive it will make one folder Windows old, then your previous data will store to the Windows old, and there it will create like user. Inside the user you will get your previous desktop documents, downloads, pictures, whatever it is saved inside the folders, it will be available in that Windows old folder. So but I will not do this one. Now I will delete all the partitions because I already took the backup for all the disks. I will just delete all. You can see here this is unlocated space. You can create partition. I will use complete C drive. If you want to make partitions from here, you can make the partitions from here. For example, if you want to give a C drive, you can, if you want to create the C drive 200 GB, so you can give from here You can see this one, it is created partition 200 GB exactly, and remaining it is showing unlocated. So I will create another partition. You can see here it is created the another partition. So I will select the 200 GB for a C drive and click next, install. So this is the simple steps to install Windows. After the installation you can proceed for the further steps, and you can log into the user. I already uploaded many videos for the Windows installation as well. You can see in my previous videos. Even I will tag the Windows complete installation and also installation of the applications as well. So you can see my previous videos. You will find all the things, how to create the users and how to set up the initial steps for the users, and after that you can download the applications and you can install for the essential for the laptops. So I will tag the link in description and comment section. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.